Diketahui, event ini berlangsung di Pertamina Mandalika International Street Circuit Lombok Barat. Event tersebut akan digelar mulai 18 Maret 2022 hingga 20 Maret 2022 dengan beragam rangkaian acara. MotoGP Mandalika sendiri adalah seri kedua dari kejuaraan dunia 2022. Menjelang dimulainya balapan, pebalap dari tim Monster Energy Yamaha Fabio Quartararo yakin bisa bersaing dalam MotoGP Mandalika 2022 ini. Sementara itu, pebalap Repsol Honda Marc Marquez sangat antusias untuk menjalani balapan di Mandalika. Pebalap dengan julukan The Baby Alien itu berharap penampilannya bisa membuat bahagia untuk para penggemarnya di Indonesia.
karya sudah kita jaga jadi orang yang
Saya ini yang ini aja. Saya salah satu semadi ini aja.
Kepikiran nanti.
Ini ada luang. Buat sistem buang di jalan. Kenapa sih jauh gelap ya? Jenuh.
Masih cepat ya.
Kombo ini dijadi apa ya uang? Dia luar
Biasa nih lah, ya kembali.
Spaces. The big boss Claudio Domenicali, he's here as well, and it's coming. Fabio Quartararo. The last 3 laps where we had a classic showdown, half a second between the pair. Yeah, that will come down in sector 1. This is where Fabio Quartararo is so strong. Up towards turn 4 we go. Getting into it already. They flick it right around turn 5 in their place. Looks like he's not going to be able to get himself into this victory battle, although he just did the exact same lap time pretty much as your race leader. It's again Quartararo. There's a couple of tenths quicker than him on that previous lap. Still not close enough though as yet to show Bagnares front wheels. It's been a class ride. Great for these guys, but Quartararo, he can set up the seconds. 48 points is a huge gap to take into Austin, but I'll do everything I can to go for victory.
Agak suaduan. Ayun na nagilagay nga ko pancing. Ay, musuh-musuh na yan, musuh po dyan. Tanap na silpa. Coba na. Gimana pira? What the ton? Alat-alat juga. Maniki, yang kadang. Besar. Wah. Pengawal kali, paling kita
Tukang gulai sampai
Baiklah.
Here is not out of this at all. In fact, he's a lot quicker left of the track, hanging up behind him. Right then, onto the start up to this crucial podium spot. And it's actually, because you've probably seen on the screen, that that's his strongest point. And now Mir is on them as well. Do all he can to keep Mir behind him as well. Well, he might actually be able to do that himself. So let's hope that he's okay. There's your race leader at turn 8. Still, he desperately wants to make it onto the podium here in Misano for the 200 time with his two prodigies. Bagnai and that all Italian podium are able to stay in these positions. Well, he's coming back towards Pecco Bagnai. They're throwing everything at this, but he hasn't been able to make a decisive breakaway. The top 3 is extraordinary, isn't he, feeling that he can do himself a big favour. So difficult to predict this one. We've got 4 riders fighting now for 2 spots on the chain for him that we're not able to witness this show that he's put on, because he's an quality helper yesterday. Was all to do with the famous Mike Levy who do the right thing. Well, he's done the right part of the inside. So good, so late onto the key, so difficult to overtake. It really is, especially after what happened to him. Entry now, Miller's down, Miller's gone. Oh dear, Jack, how many crashes have we seen in turns 2? 6 and 15, he's absolutely in the seat, just tipping into the Jack makes the back. 1,
Ya,
everything clear.
tidak luang. Jadi ini remnya aku dari
When this happened here, if not was the fastest man on that last lap, Alex Rins. Yeah, because he's stalling. Yeah, he's stalling. You're supposed to wheel the bike off the grid and start. You can see him tracking inside. You know, probably nerved about like 50 buck kickstart there, didn't he? He has the inside line. What can he now do about that gap to Jack Miller, which has gone up to half a second? Yeah, he needs to finish at Fabio Quartararo to reignite his championship charge after his second now. He is late. He's the first rider to pick this up. We've said this before. If you teach this season to a Hollywood showstopper, you'll see some unbelievable stuff. Fabio Quartararo across the line. No, it's a different race to the guys ahead of him. 32.38. Bagnai was 1.1 second trick around the inside. And he actually just finished up. And about Gianfranco. Oh my God, it's happened there. It's on the fastest time. Watch that, Tino Rossi. Watch that. Oh, goodness me. 2 motorcycles destroyed. It looks like hopefully Morday and Zarco okay. Flat. Almost 2 and go. What on earth has happened there? It's on the fastest part of this weekend.